Alright guys, I dropped an image into the back behind my logo, and so I would really like you guys to do the same. I'm in the viewport shading rendered. I'm going to go back to solid. So I dropped in a pane. If you turn it sideways, you can see I've got the actual plane there. And just a review about how I added the image, I probably would want to actually make this more rectangular because the ratio aspect is set for 16 by 9. So I just went ahead and threw in the plane. I just want to do this very quickly, but you need to make it actually fit the aspect ratio of your camera. Okay, so I'm going to go back to just a review. I'm going to go ahead and add a new material. I'm just going to hit the button here. I'm going to go ahead and hit new. I'm going to go to my texture option. I'm going to hit new again, and then I'm going to go down to the folder, and I have my picture called download. I'm going to hit open image, and then it is not assigned yet. It might not be assigned, so I need to go back to edit mode, and then I need to go ahead and assign it to the plane. So then when I go to my viewport shading and I go to rendered, it shows up, but then there's this, it's like splitting it into these triangles. So shout out to Ivan. He explained how to do this. If you go under your texture, click down here, go to mapping, go to generated. Okay, and it'll make it one actual image. Ivan said if you go to window, you can actually move the image around within that actual plane. So that's something that you can try. But yeah, I do expect you have some kind of actual image behind it. I expect that you would actually render the animation. So it's really important that whatever you need to check where your camera is set and how the animation is going to actually view when you render it. So we're going to try to actually render an animation for your final project for this logo design.